So hello everyone. In this video, I'm doing the fourth question of exercise 13.4 from the chapter of surface areas and volumes for class 10th. A container opened from the top and made up of a metal sheet is in the form of frustum of a cone of height 16 centimeters and radii of its lower and upper ends as 8 centimeter and 20 centimeters respectively. Find the cost of the milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. Also find the cost of the metal sheet used to make the container if it costs rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Now this is a little lengthy question. Let us see how do we do it. So this kind of a container is there in which the milk is there. I have to completely fill up means whatever is the volume of the milk that I'll be using, that will be equal to the volume of this frustum. So let us write what all is given to us. I have R1, the radius of the upper end, the upper open end to be as 20 centimeters. I have the R2, the radius of the lower end to be given as 8 centimeters, which is closed from the bottom. Then I also have the height given to me as 16 centimeters. So I'll just try to make a frustum and fill up everything in that. So this is the kind of the bucket that we have. The radius of the lower end be 8, radius of the upper end is 20, and the height is given to us as 16 centimeters. How much milk is required to completely fill up the frustum? It will be equal to volume of this frustum. So that will be equal to how much? The volume of the frustum is given by 1 upon 3 pi h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2. So let me put the values 1 upon 3 into pi, which is 3.14, into h, which is 16, into r1 square, which is 20 square, plus r2 square, which is 8 square, plus r1 into r2, which is 20 into 8. So that gives me how much? That gives me 1 upon 3 into 3.14 into 16 into 20 square means 400 plus 64 plus 160, which comes out to be 624. Now this 3 and 624 cancels by 208. So I will be left with 3.14 into 16 into 208 centimeter cube. Now if I want the answer in liters, because the cost given to me is rupees 20 per liter, so I'll have to change it into liters. So whatever is the volume, I'll be changing it into liters by dividing it by 1000. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 upon 1000 liters. So I'll just divide it by 1000. I'll be getting 3.14 into 16 into 208 divided by 1000. So if I want to remove this decimal, I'll again divide it by 100. So I'll be getting 314 into 16 into 208 upon 1 lakh liters. So this is the answer for the volume. I need not find the volume. I have to find out the cost. So now it is given to us that the rate of the milk is rupees 20 per liter. That means 1 liter is costing rupees 20. So the total cost of the milk will be equal to rupees 20 into volume of the frustum, which is equal to 20 into 314 into 16 into 208 upon 1 lakh, which comes out to be rupees 209. So that is the answer, that 209 rupees are required to fill up the complete container with milk. So this is one part done. I also need to find out the cost of the metal sheet used to make the container. So let us try to find out that. Now this was the bucket, R1 equal to 20, R2 equal to 8, and H equal to 60. Now to find out the surface area, the total metal sheet that will be required will be equal to the curved surface area of the bucket plus area of the bottom circle, right? So curved surface area of the bucket is pi into R1 plus R2 into L. That means we need to find out the slant height L first of all. The slant height L will be given by under root of h square plus r1 minus r2 whole square. That is equal to how much? It is equal to 16 square plus 20 minus 8 whole square. That is under root of 16 square plus 12 square. That is under root of 256 plus 144. That is under root of 400, which is equal to 20 centimeters. So I have got the slant height to be as 20 centimeters. Now I'll be putting the values of R1, R2, and L here. So the total area of the metal sheet required will be equal to how much? It will be equal to, that is pi was how much? 3.14 into R1, which is 20, R2, which is equal to 8, into L, which has also come out to be 20, plus 3.14 into 8 into 8. I just simplify this. It comes out to be 1758.4 plus 201. So that comes out to be 1959.4 centimeter square. Now I also need to find out the cost of making this bucket. Now it is given to us at 100 centimeters square. Cost rupees how much? Rupees 8. So if 100 centimeters square costs rupees 8, that means 1 centimeter square will be how much? Rupees 8 upon 100. So 1959.4 centimeter square will cost rupees 8 upon 100 into 1959.4, which comes out to be approximately rupees 157. So I hope you have understood the solution. Thank you so much.